I'm Angel with Proven Industries, and today I'm excited to introduce our Model 2517D lock. This lock is expertly designed for Demco style trailer couplers and is custom tailored for the 2 and 5/16 inch size. If you have the Demco stamped coupler, you'll need the Model 2517D. If you have the cast Demco coupler, you'll need Model 2517D1. One standout feature of the Model 2517D is its patented design, which effectively secures your safety chains within the lock, providing an added layer of protection and peace of mind. In this video, I'm going to show you what is included when you order this lock and also go over how easy it is to install. Now I'm going to show you what's included when you order Model 2517D. You're going to get an inner slide, you have an outer shield made of 1/4 inch steel, a puck lock, and 2 keys. Remember, you can get these key to like to match all the rest of your proven products. Just select key to like at checkout. Now I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is to install Model 2517D on your Demco coupler. Remember, this lock will secure your safety chains inside the lock. First, you're going to take your inner slide and attach that. And you're going to take your outer shield. You're going to put your safety chains right down here in the added compartment. Next, you're going to slide your outer shield onto your inner slide. You're going to take your puck and secure.